Charvonia Design tie-down anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better-looking option to the basic factory-supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. Today, we will be working on this third-generation Toyota Tacoma. Here we have the Tacoma center tie-down in the red anodized finish, as well as the included hardware. Tools required for this installation are a ratchet or an impact, as well as an H4 bit for securing the hardware. The first step is to locate the two threaded holes at the front of the bed. Notice the specific design of the back of the center tie-down that will align with the two threaded holes. Use the included hardware and the H4 bit to secure the tie-down to the bed. Once it's snug, you're good to go. You can now start securing cargo with tie-down straps with your new Charvonia Design Billet Tie Down. For more information and for the full catalog of all our products, visit BilletTieDowns.com. Thank you for watching.